Welcome back to High Mile Life, everybody. Starting out another week here. Didn't get to get any footage coming down here. It's 2-lane, beautiful drive. But I was kind of in a hurry. Picked up truck in the shop for those things last week. Had a major def leak. Thought it was going to be just the filter. They found a cooling valve on the def system was out as well. Ended up costing me about $1,000 to get it fixed. Anyway, got it picked up this morning. Had to rush straight down here. Me like a dummy. I thought I was picking up in Belgrade. But no, I had to pick up in Idaho Falls, Idaho. So I had to rush down here. Beautiful drive. We're down here picking up at Idahoan Foods. I'm going to run this down to Kroger, a.k.a. King Super, in Aurora, Colorado. Going to deliver it tomorrow. See you guys just a little bit. Well, we made it to Wamsutter, shut it down for the night. We got 280 miles to go to get to King Super in Aurora, Colorado. Alright folks, we've made King Supers here. Got all checked in, bumped the dock. They jumped straight in the trailer, went in and started unloading me. They say it could take about 4 hours. We'll see. I know last time I was here it took 4 hours and to get some detention out of it. So we'll see how long it takes them. We'll check back in with you guys here in just a little bit. Well, we got unloaded in just under 2 hours at King Super. No complaints there. Went ahead and headed up here for tomorrow's pickup. Currently we're sitting at Dr. Elsie's Precious Cat. I think it's going to be a load of kitty litter from the way the reviews are looking. Here in Cheyenne, Wyoming. It's currently Thursday night. This doesn't deliver until Sunday at 6 p.m. in Kansas City, Kansas. So we're going to be sitting on this one a little bit. Maybe we'll find something fun to get into. We'll see what happens. But I'll see you guys in the morning. Having some bunk heater issues here, folks. Smelling some unburnt diesel fuel. I'm going to figure that out in the morning. Maybe that's what we'll get into this weekend. Fixing the old bunk heater. He's a smoky little sucker. Good morning, everybody. Sitting here getting loaded. Got to looking into this S-bar heater issue a little bit. Come to find there's a special socket you got to have to get the glow plug out because it's got wires coming out and the socket's got to be slotted. Comes in the kit, so we're going to order the kit, fix that when I get home. Also, you got to have a pick, pull the seal out, pull the screen out. And I got that at home. I don't have one with me. So anyway, we'll do that then. But for now, we're getting loaded. And we're going to be making our way towards Kansas City, Kansas. See you guys in a little bit.
Trying at the same shit. Kinda tired, tryna give a fuck. Saving grace has never hit the same end. I've been running out of luck, yeah. Said I've been running out of luck, yeah. Said I've been running out of luck, yeah. Said I've been running out of luck, yeah, 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 yeah. Kinda tired, trying at the same shit. Kinda tired, tryna give a fuck. Saving grace has never hit the same end. I've been running out of luck, yeah. Said I've been running out of luck, yeah. Said I've been running out of luck, yeah. Said I've been running out of luck, yeah, 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 yeah.
Oh, we made it to good old Amazon. Getting checked in as we speak. Check back just a little bit. 10 minutes of this sound and that flashing red light, and at least 3 employees have walked by. No assistance yet. Not to mention they cage yourself like we're wild dogs. Gotta love Amazon. Alright, finally bumped the dock. We'll see how long this takes. Reviews are showing anywhere from 40 minutes to 15 hours. I've got about 20 skids. Shouldn't take very long at all. So with having 3 full days to cover 600 miles, I figure I'd make it interesting. We drove about 5 miles of interstate in the beginning. Then we hit the back roads in 2 lanes. Ran that to the last 10 miles. And we had to get back on the interstate to get here. Definitely a beautiful drive. Much more peaceful than interstate. I'll do it every time I can when I got time. We are rolling over here to check out. Be heading to our next pickup in Lawrence, Kansas. Gonna be picking up a load of dog food, hauling that to Walmart in Oshaleta, Oklahoma. Y'all ain't gonna believe this. I've been held at the guard shack for the past 25 minutes. Because they say I'm trying to leave here with an Amazon trailer. Does that say Amazon? Is it blue with that gay little swoosh on it? No. We made it to Althea here in Lawrence, Kansas. Picking up our load going to Walmart in Oshaleta, Oklahoma. About to back in the dock here and get loaded up. It's a little tight here, so it can be a little tricky. And like most places that are tight, they want the tandems all the way back, so it makes it a little bit more tricky. But we'll get it in there. Aiming for 6 there. And that's how you do it. Dropping at Oshaletta Walmart. Going to be heading down to Henrietta, Oklahoma, pick up a load of glass, and heading towards Owensboro, Kentucky. All right, we made it to Henrietta. Go up here, get some paperwork. Figure out which trailer is ours. Drop this one, hook the next one. Roll on down the road. I might stop at QT and get some pizza tonight. I've been craving me some pizza lately. $8,500. Sit there a second. $8,501, $8,508, $8,500. That's gonna be me. And who's the seal belong to? All those have seals. First start this one so it gets inside. Hey,
Sir.
this slid out of the box.
Oh, okay.
I checked every packet there and they all have seals.
Okay.
So I'm assuming the guy might have just left without it, or maybe an extra one somehow got dropped.
May have. Appreciate it.
No problem. Have a good one.
Yeah.
Autocar. Well, it's there making a comeback. It was a quality company. They've got into yard trucks, and I've heard they've got into the I'm drawing a blank, the smaller trucks, like your concrete trucks, tow trucks, things like that. Vocational is what they call those. So we're doing yard trucks and vocational trucks. Somebody's gonna enjoy this trailer. It's a pretty nice one. That's one thing I dread on these glass loads. Getting a junk trailer. If the landing gear don't work right, you'll fight it like crazy. A lot of guys don't leave no gap either. So it'll be too high and you gotta fight them. Alright, everything's already checked out on this trailer. Just gotta go back here and put a seal on it, get it all hooked up. Slide these tandems, we got any air, and we will be good to go. And do not step on any of this broken glass. Those are big chunks. I don't mind little chunks. Big chunks? Nah, they slice. Show you guys what this looks like. There's your spaghetti sauce and your fettuccine alfredo sauce, aka alfredo sauce. Closed up. Sealed up. There it is, boys and girls. Not bad for gas station pizza. QT's where it's at on the pizza. Alright, everybody. Been struggling to film today. We made it to Workman's Travel Plaza in Ozark, Missouri last night. We shut it down. Got up today. Took off. Was going to take a shortcut across from North Little Rock and cut across I-55. Unfortunately, got rerouted. Routed me back down to I-40. It sucks. So I ended up going about an hour and a half out of route, going up, back down. It sucked. A little bitty 2-lane roads. We made it here to the Loves in Calvert City, though. We're doing our 30-minute break. Then we'll be heading on into Owensboro, Kentucky to drop this load off. And I'm going to go sneak a 34 in at the house. And we'll come back out kicking off next week. Alright, everybody. We made it to Laser Light here. Dropping this load for Ms. Can. Here's a load of glass picked up out of Henrietta yesterday. Place a mess right now. Been a lot of rain. A lot of puddles. A lot of mud. Overly packed. Anyway, it does wrap it up for the week. I want to thank you guys for sticking around watching. Hope to see y'all back here next week. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, guys.